Welcome to Tadas Travel Channel. Today is a Friday 13th, the day of bad luck, but we hope for opposite because we're going for amber hunting in Baltic Sea. Amber is fossilized tree resin, which is a well-known gemstone used in jewelry, folk medicine and even pagan rituals. For the best experience, we arranged meeting with amber guide Igoris. He's gonna walk us through the main points about finding the Baltic gold. Are you ready? Let's go!
We met Igoris in Karkle near Seaside Regional Park Visitor Center, got dressed in special clothing, and we're ready to learn more about the Baltic gold.
You know what the amber means? Amber. The meaning of the word. Guys.
No.
No. Amber. In Lithuanian language, gintaras, it means ginti, protection. Okay? Protection from all times. People collecting amber on the coastline, and what they made first of all, amulets, protection. Do you have some amber pieces for your protection for today? It's very dangerous day today.
No.
No. Okay, yes. You need to hunt yourself. You need to catch or to find yourself. I have amulet. I have big protection for these big waves. So it's natural amber with natural hole inside.
All right.
I get it myself. Okay. And for you, some protection also. I've prepared for you.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. And this is also example for you how amber looks like this. Small amulets for you, only for today, and for later on you need to catch yourself.
Bigger
and
bigger
again. Okay, amber is lighter than stone, warmer than stone, and mostly broken a little bit. When you find some round pieces, called and not broken stones. So, and the main thing what you need to make, just to rub it. The main thing. Must be. When you rub it, make it warm. Smell hand. It will be pine tree smell. That's okay. You don't trust me? You test that?
Yeah, of course we have to make sure that you're saying true.
Smaller net. Okay. That's it.
Got an amber. Look! I just got a huge piece of amber.
Rub me now.
Smells like real amber.
Guide told us that amber is staying on the bottom of the sea with driftwood and seaweeds. Karkle beach bottom structure is very good for this occasion. During the storm, all that mixture is being raised from the bottom. After the heavy weather, when waves are small and short, current goes to the shore and brings amber out. Where? Nobody knows, so you need to walk through the beach and search for dark mixture in the water or on the shore. Seagulls usually show the right spot while finding food in the same mixture. Today's conditions are not optimal because the waves are high, but the chance to catch something is very real.
Clean water, we have to go further.
Would you stop your guns if I had you on my side? Come and seal your fate till the end of my desire.
Finally, we reached promising spot with some driftwood on the shore, and the guide went for a test drive.
tiring, really tiring.
It's me, Dovydas, again, the same guy, and it's an honor to participate in this amber catching. I wouldn't manage catching amber longer than like 2 hours. After that, done, no more energy. But in conclusion, I understand that it's possible. Next time I come during such weather, I'll try to bring my own clothes and my own net probably. And now I would know how to do it. It requires a lot of technique, it requires a lot of observing and knowledge about the movement of the currents and movement of the sea. It's an interesting thing. Good time.
Well, I'm very glad we made this wet excursion. It really hooked me on, and I'm already planning a comeback with my own gear. I believe you can spend hours in the water seeking for sea gold. That's it, guys. Hard work pays off. In less than an hour, we managed to collect 9 beautiful pieces of Baltic gold. Forget the Bitcoin, this is a real shit. Go for it now. See you soon.